Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Sassy Peachy. If you find my videos interesting, hit the subscribe button, click like, and turn on the notification bell. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox at mag-install ng storage cabinet from Laz app. Nabili ko lang siya sa halagang 1,252 pesos. Madali lang siya i-install at may kasama naman siyang instructions kaya hindi ka malilito at mabilis mo lang ma-assemble. Ginawa ko siyang storage cabinet for my bags.